Hello, darlings. So I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to boil a perfect egg. May sound pretty simple. I did get this tip from Jacques Pepin, who, by the way, I did win an award from one time many years ago. But here's the scoop. Very simple procedure. I know a lot of people like to put it in Instapots. It's not for me. I like to keep it simple. KSS, keep it simple. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let me show you how it's done. Right, part one, here we go. Prick the eggs. I've got the water boiling over here, or getting ready to have the water boiling. So I'm gonna take these eggs right here and just prick them on top. Uh-oh, wrong way. All right, so I have a pin, obviously not a writing utensil, and I'm just gonna take a little pin and I'm just gonna prick the outside, just like that. You can see I've pricked it. Put a little tiny hole in each one. Ow. Now, if you had a safety pin, this would be easier, but I couldn't find one, so you know what? You gotta use what you can find. 2 and 3. By the way, check out, aren't these gorgeous yard eggs? My girlfriend gave it to me, and I am so loving these delicious yard eggs. Okay, got my eggs pricked. Now I'm gonna... Right, so I've got some water boiling, just nice and lovely there. So I'm gonna take the girls and plunge them in. All right, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Now, I am not a sciencey person, but from what I understand, having poked the eggs, and you can see the little bubbles coming out in the end, that creates an osmosis type effect or something or another, which keeps the sulfur, keeps it from turning green. So I'm gonna give this exactly 12 minutes. Okay, so these eggs have gone officially 12 minutes. So we are going to take them over, and I'm going to drain them in the sink. 2 more steps here. So I have the eggs here completely drained. Just gonna toss them about a little bit. Shake, 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 shake. And then I'm gonna add some ice water. So as you can see, they are on ice water, and I'm gonna let them cool. Right then, so I have my eggs that have been sitting in the ice water. And so, as you can see, I've already kind of started the process of breaking them. So all you really have to do at this point is break them up a little more, and then they jump right out of the shell. Just rinse them off a little bit. And then I'll dry them a little on the paper towel. And then let's check it out, and I might actually have a little bite. These are actually going to go on a gado-gado platter tonight for my Bali inspired. And check out that beautiful and perfect egg, not a little gray around it, so that means it was cooked not too long, just right. Put a little salt on it, etc. They'll be ready for my platter. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and making some little super great boiled eggs. Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good day, guys.